This is the 2011 Kink bike check. I got the animal strip seat in gray. The primo stricker pedals. They're kind of bad when it's wet out. Everything on this bike is stock except for the seat, the sprocket, the pedals, and the chain. The chain is a Shadow Conspiracy V2 interlock chain. Except in the C-post. C-post is an Eastern C-post. It's got the Alienation PBR rims, front rim. This stem is horrible. It's stripping my bars and I need a new one. And the bars are Midtown bars, 26-27 inches wide. It's got 225 front tire and 2195 back tire. It rides pretty good. I just got done riding it. The rims are very noticeable when there's dirt on them. It's kind of irritating. The hub sound. That's the hub sound. Oh, and I got the Chadow crank and bone sprocket 25 tooth. The stock sprocket was the Kink decimal. Thin, but it's really heavy. The stock seat, don't really like it that much. Pegs, really heavy. They're like a pound each. And the stock Mission pedals. Oh, and the stock chain is a KMC Z chain, whatever you want to call it. And I broke it right there. And that's my bike check.